evening to you. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. Well, viewers, we witnessed an intense political fight over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's "Ek Hai to Safe Hai" pitch ahead of the Maharashtra elections. And now Rahul Gandhi has chosen to respond to Prime Minister Modi's unity pitch in his own way. Rahul, addressing a press briefing on the last day of the campaigning in Maharashtra, displayed a tijori or a safe while responding to the Prime Minister's call. And from that safe, he took out two posters. One that featured Prime Minister Modi with industrialist Gautam Adani, and the other that displayed a map of the Adani Group's Dharavi redevelopment project. Here's what Rahul Gandhi said while displaying these posters.
वो क्या था? What was the नारा that Modi ji gave? क्या है? एक है तो सेफ है.
हाँ, yes, that was it.
एक है तो सेफ है. ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की महाराष्ट्र सरकार की स्ट्रेटजी है. हम आपको ये दिखाना चाह रहे हैं. ये देखिए, एक है तो सेफ है. देख लीजिए, स्ट्रेटजी का लक्ष्य देखिए. एक है तो सेफ है. धारावी का मैप है. ये भी दिखा दीजिए. दूसरा पोस्टर ये 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए का धंधा चल रहा है. ये आप देखिए, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी और अदानी जी एक साथ खड़े हैं. एक है तो सेफ है. और ये लक्ष्य, तो उन्होंने अपना नारा दिया है. हम उनका थोड़ा नारे को आपको समझाना चाहते हैं.
While Rahul Gandhi mocked Prime Minister Modi's "Ek Hai to Safe Hai" pitch, he chose not to respond to a direct question on AIMPLB spokesperson Sajjad Nomani's open call to boycott those who vote for the BJP. Remember, the AIMPLB spokesperson had earlier declared support for the Maha Vikas Aghadi on 269 out of the 288 seats, and the BJP has called this proof of vote jihad. But let's watch how Rahul was evasive when the question was asked on Nomani.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस बोल रहे हैं कि ये धर्मयुद्ध हमें खेलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सज्जाद नोमानी जो मुस्लिम पर्सन लॉ बोर्ड के प्रवक्ता है उनकी एक ऑडियो के
देखिए बीजेपी को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने की आदत है. मैंने आपसे कहा कि मेन मुद्दा रोजगार का है. उसके बाद मैंने आपको ये.
Now, the BJP national president has also spoken up regarding the same. He has mounted the attack on Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Maha Vikas Aghadi cannot preach on unity when the alliance itself is divided.
फूट डालो राजनीति करने की बात कर रहे हैं. आज अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे और मोदी जी ने कहा एक है तो सेफ है. अरे मोदी जी का एक है सेफ है का मतलब है एकता है तो हम सब सुरक्षित हैं, सबको साथ लेकर के चल रहे हैं. लेकिन तुम जब बोलते हो एक है तो सेफ है तो तुम्हारे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अगाड़ी के साथी भी नहीं होते. तुम एक ही होते हो और एक होते हो तो ही सेफ होते हो. इस बात को समझ लेना चाहिए.
So you heard the war of words that's playing out. Remember, the BJP has now upped the ante and has amplified its message of "Ek Hai to Safe Hai," the slogan that was given by the Prime Minister. The BJP also put out ads in the newspaper. Now Rahul Gandhi has responded to that, and this is the poster that he displayed. He had a safe that he had with him. This is at the press conference that was held earlier today, and the safe said "Ek Hai to Safe Hai." And inside the tijori or inside the safe was a poster, the visual that you're seeing on the screen, of Prime Minister Modi with Gautam Adani. Let's now listen in to the Prime Minister who had given this "Ek Hai to Safe Hai" pitch, which he mentioned at numerous rallies in the poll-bound states of Maharashtra as well as Jharkhand.
आपको याद रखना है, एक है तो सेफ है. एक है तो एक है तो एक है तो.
Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast with the details of how this is going to play out in the elections. Niyamika, because the BJP had amplified its message of "Ek Hai to Safe Hai." This is the direct counter that came in from Rahul Gandhi. Take us through the Congress strategy going into the elections, responding to the Prime Minister's unity pitch.
ऑन दिखा रहा है, मेरे को फ्रेम दिख रहा
Well, yes, indeed, as this is a strong attack which is coming in on the part of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, as he was basically addressing a press conference in Mumbai as well as in Ranchi today, in which he has given a response to the statement which was being taken up by the BJP regarding the "Ek Hai to Safe Hai" slogan, which was being used by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As on one side, during a press conference in Mumbai, Rahul Gandhi has made an attack on the BJP. Rahul Gandhi has made an attack on the BJP by saying that this is basically this slogan is being used for all these corporates which are being favored by the BJP, and that is the only reason why he had also shown a picture in that particular press conference where Prime Minister Narendra Modi was being seen with Mr. Gautam Adani, and for that reason he has said that this is basically conspiracy on the part of the BJP to safeguard and support all of these millionaires in our country. On the other side, in Ranchi, he has taken another route, as Rahul Gandhi has mentioned, and given an example of the violence which is continuing in the state of Manipur in particular, as he has said that on one side it is the BJP and the Prime Minister who gives such kind of slogans that "Ek hai to safe hai," but on the other side we have seen that how the violence is continuing from past 1 year in the state of Manipur, but Prime Minister doesn't have time to visit that particular state. Not just this, but in fact he has also mentioned that the Congress party is having this particular ideology that they want to conduct caste census so that equal opportunities will be given to each and every caste of our country. And he has also mentioned that the BJP only lies about the reservation issue, as the BJP is basically slamming the Congress party, saying that the Congress party wants to end the reservation. But for that reason, Rahul Gandhi has clarified that they are just saying that there should not be any cap upon the reservation. The 50% cap which is being there, that needs to be removed, and that is the only reason why once again Rahul Gandhi has said that it is a very much need of the country that there should be caste census. Not just this, but in fact he has also reiterated all the promises which the Congress party has made ahead of the assembly elections, whether it is about the financial assistance which will be given if the JMM and Congress government will come to power to the women, as well as the MSP guarantee which the Congress party has promised to the farmers, health insurance which is being mentioned in the manifesto of the Congress. All of these issues are once again being taken up by Rahul Gandhi, as he said that this only shows the ideology of the Congress party, and whatever has been alleged by the BJP, that's a complete lie.
Okay, all right. Nyamika, stay with us. A fresh attack that has come in from the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi bringing back his slogan that the constitution is under threat under the BJP. Rahul Gandhi launching a fresh attack on the BJP amid the "Ek hai to safe hai" war of words. Rahul Gandhi invoking the constitution to slam the BJP and saying that the Congress party is trying to save the constitution because the constitution is in danger under the BJP.
विचारधारा की लड़ाई है। एक तरफ इंडिया गठबंधन कांग्रेस पार्टी जो संविधान की रक्षा कर रही है और गरीबों की सरकार, किसानों की, मजदूरों की, पिछड़ों की, दलितों, आदिवासियों की सरकार चलाना चाहते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ वो शक्तियां जो संविधान को, अंबेडकर जी के संविधान को क्रश करना चाहती हैं, खत्म करना चाहती हैं, फाड़कर फेंकना चाहती हैं। और ये उनके सीनियर नेताओं ने कहा है, ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, बीजेपी के सीनियर नेताओं ने, आरएसएस के सीनियर नेताओं ने कहा है कि वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को रद्द करना चाहते हैं, बदलना चाहते हैं।
So, Nyamika, on one hand, while the BJP is talking about "Ek hai to safe hai," talking about unity going into the elections, the Congress party is also bringing back the same attack that it did in the Lok Sabha elections as well. And in Lok Sabha elections in Maharashtra in particular, it seemed to have worked for the Congress party, for the Maha Vikas Aghadi as well. So, Rahul Gandhi going on to say that the constitution is under attack by the BJP.
Well, indeed, this slogan which was being used by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, "Ek hai to safe hai," that was basically an attack upon the Congress, because at that particular point of time also we have seen that how during the Lok Sabha elections Rahul Gandhi had continuously raised the matter which was related to the reservations, whether it is about SC/ST reservation or the OBCs. He was also demanding a caste census, and that has also worked for the Congress party, particularly if we talk about the state of Maharashtra, and that is the reason why
this counter attack had come on the part of the BJP, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that the Congress party's intention is to divide amongst the people, to create a divide amongst the people on the basis of the caste, and that is why Congress party is raising all such matters, and that was the reason why Prime Minister had said ek hai to safe hai. Now a counter attack is coming on the part of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, as he has once again said that the BJP doesn't believe in the constitution, and that is why it is a continuous attack which the BJP is trying to make upon the constitution. As he has once again said that what the Congress party was repeating during the Lok Sabha elections as well, that the constitution is under threat. Rahul Gandhi basically retaliated the Congress party's stand about the caste census. He said that we don't want any kind of cap upon the reservation, that 50% cap needs to be removed, and that is the reason why we are continuously demanding from the central government that caste census needs to be conducted. That was basically a promise which the Congress party has also made, not just in the state of Maharashtra but also in Jharkhand, that if their government will come to power, then they are surely going to hold a caste census in both of these states, so that this particular 50% reservation cap will be reduced. As he has also mentioned that jitni abadi utna hak, and that was the basically ideology of the Congress party, what Rahul Gandhi is claiming, and that is basically a counter claim which he has made against the allegations which were being put by the BJP regarding the Congress party's ideology, as well as the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha upon Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. It's finally up to the voters to decide what are they going to go with. Ek hai to safe hai, or are they going to see what Rahul Gandhi has said today and the allegations that he has been making as well? With that, let's shift our attention now. Remember, it was UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who had initially given that slogan, Batenge to Katenge, which had sparked off an all-out political war. Now the UP CM has hit out at the Congress party, blaming its appeasement politics for the partition of the country.
कांग्रेस का नेतृत्व 1947 में चाहता सत्ता की लोलुपता नहीं होती, भारत का विभाजन कभी नहीं होता, कभी नहीं होता। निर्दोष लाखों हिंदू नहीं काटे गए होते, सत्ता लोलुपता थी और तुष्टीकरण की हदों को पार करते देश के हितों को तिलांजलि देने की मंशा के साथ कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व ने देश का विभाजन करवाया था। आजादी के बाद जाति, क्षेत्र, भाषा के आधार पर इस देश को बांटने का काम कांग्रेस करती रही।